Hello everyone, welcome back to Code and Play. If you have always wanted to create your own games using Python, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to build a simple game called Tap the Ball using Python and Kivy. It's a beginner friendly project, and by the end of this video, you will have a working game that keeps score every time you tap the moving ball. If you haven't installed Kivy yet, don't worry, I have already uploaded Kivy installation tutorial on this channel. You can watch that first and then come back to this video. Let's get started. As you can see, the ball moves to a random position every second. Whenever I click on the ball, my score increases. Now let's build this from scratch. At first open VS Code, then click on File. Create one new text file. First let's import the required modules. App creates the application widget, creates our game screen. Label displays the score. Ellipse is used to draw the ball. Color changes the ball's color. Clock helps us move the ball automatically. Finally, we import the random module to place the ball at a different positions. Now let's create our main game class. We will initialize a score variable and display it using a level. Next, we will draw red ball using Kiwi's canvas. Now comes the interesting part. We will create a function called moveBall. Every second, this function generates a new random position for the ball. To call this function automatically, we will use clock.schedule interval. Now let's detect when the player clicks the ball. We will use the onTouchDown function. If the click is inside the ball, we will increase the score and move the ball immediately. Now save the file, open the terminal. Congratulations, you have just created your first Python game using Kivy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Code and Play. See you in the next video. Bye bye.